Welcome home. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the sought-after River Hills Country Club community is a must-see. From the moment you step through the front door, you'll be welcomed by a well-maintained home with an open floor plan and countless upgrades. You'll love the stylish chandeliers, updated fixtures, and custom kitchen cabinets. The home features gorgeous marble and hardwood floors throughout the common areas, as well as granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. The kitchen also includes under-cabinet lighting, soft closed drawers, and a farmhouse sink. With plantation shutters, custom-built closets, and a spacious pantry, this home has been thoughtfully designed with convenience and style in mind. Plus, the epoxy-coated garage floor adds a sleek touch. The oversized owner's suite is truly a retreat, offering an elegant ensuite bathroom with double vanities, a relaxing soaker tub, and a large walk-in closet. Double doors lead to the lovely screened-in lanai, perfect for enjoying your private, fenced-in backyard. River Hills is known for its exceptional amenities, including 24/7 manned security, a clubhouse, recently updated golf course greens, hiking trails, parks, and basketball and tennis courts. The location is ideal, with excellent schools, dining, shopping, and easy access to major roads. This home has it all. Don't miss the chance to make it yours. Schedule your showing today